Good God. Check-in desk, and as soon as you walk in, this is the front lobby inside of the Comfort Suites. Eating area. That is the check-in desk, and immediately as you come in, you have to sanitize, and there's someone that checks your temperature. So we're just waiting to get the room. This is a tour of the rooms. You have a zinc closet, got 2 double beds, flat screen TV, got a safe, got a desk, a sofa, and the sofa is also a pull-out bed, and that's a queen size. Oh, we got a grass view. So it's a pretty nice room. Pretty nice, big and spacious room. The queen size bed. Oh, got this. Comes with water. Got a cupboard. Also got a fridge. The fridge is so close to the bed as well, and a coffee maker as well, with a mirror. So I can show you guys inside the bathroom. So you got a tub, shower, toilet, and you got the towels. So it's a very good size room. There you have it, and a ceiling fan. There you go. Sit inside, and there goes the pool. It's the pool. Wow. Now bear in mind, whilst you are here, the COVID protocols are still being in effect and in full force, and you'll see these signs all throughout the resort. So this is Crusoe's. I think this is the restaurant that they have inside. Breakfast is served and it's complimentary once you're staying here from 7 to 10. Now for lunch and dinner you'll have to pay for that. You got comforters, burgers, salmon. Salmon sounds good. So we're gonna head over there and see how it looks. So there you have it, guys. This was our first day here at Comfort Suites. You got to see the room. So if you're in the Bahamas or you're traveling in the area of Paradise Island, you can check out Comfort Suites. Any information that you will need, I will leave in the description below for any queries, quotes, anything that you need available inside of the hotel. With that being said, I'm signing off for now. I'll see you in the next vlog, and remember, all things are possible
when you believe.